Peace to you, my dear students, teachers and parents of CBSE schools, especially the people who are for grade 9 to 12. You know, today 24th July CBSE has brought certain documents in continuation to the circular which was published. CBSE had published a circular a couple of weeks ago, the circular number 51 by 2021 regarding the split curriculum. That means CBSE has introduced a new scheme of evaluation in view of pandemic situation in India and abroad. You know, CBSE is operating schools in India and other almost 28 countries out of India. So CBSE was not able to conduct examinations this year. Well in advance, CBSE is planning to conduct assessment in a very scientific manner. So CBSE has decided to conduct the curriculum or to transact the curriculum in 2 terms and to conduct examinations also in 2 terms. The first examination will be conducted in November, December with OMR MCQ test. MCQ test will be taken with a wide variety of questions, including MCQ questions which is based on case studies, assertion and reasoning, which is going to be a little tough if you are not practicing well. So the practice is required in terms of such questions. CBSE has introduced the question banks also, which is also available in CBSE websites. Not complete, but still CBSE started uploading in a question bank in CBSE website. And a split curriculum is available. I think you teachers, students and parents are already working with that right from this morning. It is circulated among the CBSE fraternity here with us. And as far as internal assessment is concerned, you know, CBSE was talking about the internal assessment to be taken very seriously. You know, like if the situation, the pandemic situation exists, and if it is not at all possible to conduct examinations in the school or in the centers, CBSE will definitely think of the online examinations, especially based on the internal assessment. So internal assessment has to be taken very seriously. Art integrated activities are to be conducted as per the previous circulars. That's what CBSE says. Art integrated activities are to be conducted. It is not dropped. That is very important. So art integration are to be conducted under the title, you know, subject enrichment activities, and periodic test is to be conducted. Multiple diverse assessments like you know, debate, group discussions, kit or wide varieties of activities can be conducted, like you know, art integration, sport integration, group discussions, debate, concept mapping, blog writing, vlog making. You know, wide varieties of activities can be conducted, which is embedded with your, you know, academic and pedagogical plan. So that also to be conducted. Then periodic test is to be conducted. Portfolio should be kept. So portfolio is the filing and the journal of the activities that you are conducting, the evidences that you are having with all the activities to be kept. So this internal assessment in grade 9, 10, you know, especially in 10, 9 and 10, you know, it is for 20 marks. 80-20 is the pattern, 80 for the board based theory examinations, 20 for the other internal examination. This 20 can be divided into 2 terms, like 10 plus 10. 10 in first term and another 10 in second term. So this 10 can be, you know, allotted, like periodic test weightage will be 3 and multiple assessment 2, portfolio 2, and practical you know, subject enrichment activities, practical or assessment of speaking, listening skills in languages, and practical works in other subjects, project works in other subjects for 3. So 3 for periodic test, 2 for multiple assessment and 2 for portfolio, and 3 for subject enrichment activities. 3 plus 2 plus 3, that is a pattern in term 1 and in term 2 also. This is to be followed. And there are some subjects which are additional subjects with 70 theory marks, 30, in which you will be dividing this into 15, like first term 15 and second term 15. This also has been mentioned in this document, which is talking about the internal assessment to be taken very seriously from the CBSE schools, and the students and teachers are to be instructed well, students are to be guided well, and parents also to be getting good awareness in this regard. And whereas plus 1 plus 2 also concerned the practical subjects like you know, physics, chemistry, biology to be conducted for 30 marks in practical works, and for 15 marks it is to be conducted in first term, and 15 marks practical works are to be conducted in next term, second term. And for mathematics, 5 marks for periodic test in first term and 5 marks for mathematics activities, that is 10 plus 10 20, that is 80-20 pattern. For English and other languages, it is ASL, assessment of speaking and listening skill, that is also to be conducted in 2 terms, 10 plus 10. And there are some subjects with project activities, like business studies, economics and some other subjects, having the project works. The project works are to be completed, more than half of the activities are to be completed by the first term, and the second half will be completed by the second term. And the viva and final examinations and all other external examiner activities will be conducted by the second term. So in this way, CBSE has clearly mentioned how to conduct the internal assessment. So everyone must be very serious in this regard, should be taking the printout of the plan which is provided by CBSE today in terms of the internal assessment, and to be carried out very successfully. I wish you all the very success to each and everyone in CBSE sector. I hope this video must have helped you a bit to understand the changes in CBSE. Thank you for watching me. Thank you all.